Okay, so look at the integral. What do we got here? Well, thank God there's an x here, so you can actually do this. Okay. Let's start just by ignoring the bounds a little bit and just doing a substitution to rewrite this. Okay, I'm gonna I hate using u, but I'm running low on time, so I can't be fancy. U is equal to negative x squared. Du is equal to negative 2x dx. Changing your bounds, we go from x to u, so infinity to negative infinity. Putting it into here, infinity squared is infinity, but times negative 1, so it's infinity. And then oppositely, this is going to turn into a positive infinity. So now this new integral is going to look like this. It's going to be negative infinity, infinity. 19 stays the same. X, well, what is x? Let's just leave it as x right now. And this is going to be e to the u. Dx is equal to what? Du divided by negative 2x. So we replace that du over negative 2x. And what do we see? We see that the negative 2x and the x here, well, those x's can go away. And we also see that our bounds goes from a positive to a negative. That's kind of weird. So let's flip these bounds, times it by negative 1. And if we times it by negative 1, then this negative can go away. So then we see that we get 19. I'm just pull it out. I don't know why everybody likes putting the constant in front. I just say leave it. Infinity to infinity. E to the u, du. And this is 19 over 2 now. 19 over 2. And this, as you can see, is 19 over 2. And note here, this is how you should do it. It's going to be the limit as, I'm going to say, as t goes to infinity. And this will be e to the t minus the limit as t goes to negative infinity. And I'm going to use a different variable. Now the reason why I'm doing these variable changes and things like that is just so it looks a little bit more clean. You don't really need to do it, you just need to understand the idea of this. Is that we are taking limits now. That's how you do improper integrals. And you should always end up with the limit to do, right? So now we get 19 over 2. And what's the limit as e to the t goes, what's the limit of e to the t as t goes to infinity? Well, e to infinity is infinity. So we have infinity. And then how about this one? E to the negative infinity? Well, that's simply 1 over e to the infinity. And this 1 divided by infinity, this is for sure infinity. 1 divided by infinity is 0. So you get 19 over 2 times infinity. And that's definitely infinity. So this diverges. Divergent, diverges to infinity. There we go.